What is a Trump trade and does it actually exist? Let's dig into it. The Trump trade is not one trade. It's a collection of investor views based on a potential Donald Trump presidency and how it might impact various markets. For example, economists at Goldman Sachs say that tax cuts and tariffs would keep inflation elevated and prevent the Federal Reserve from cutting interest rates further. That combo would strengthen the dollar, in theory. Yet about 60% of respondents to a Bloomberg survey argue that the resulting trade protectionism and larger fiscal deficits would weigh on the U.S. economy and make the dollar less appealing to investors. In that same survey, respondents say that the best way to hedge a Trump presidency would be to buy gold. Meanwhile, some investors say that Trump would be positive for shares of banks, healthcare companies, and energy firms. That's because he's expected to cut taxes and loosen regulation in these industries. Yet there's not actually evidence that those expectations are playing out in stock markets right now, according to Bloomberg Intelligence's Gina Martin Adams. The bottom line, it may be too early for the Trump trade to materialize in markets right now, and there's question over whether it will actually play out as investors initially expected.